Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Original Craft Oasis. Are you ready to embark on a creative journey? In our latest YouTube video, we are bringing you a simple and captivating tutorial on drawing mesmerizing circle scenery. Whether you are a seasoned artist or just starting out, this tutorial is perfect for everyone looking to add a touch of beauty to their artwork repertoire. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of creating stunning scenery using basic shapes, primarily circles. From tranquil landscape to dreamy sunset, you will learn how to effortlessly blend color and texture to bring your imagination to life on paper. What sets this tutorial apart is its accessibility. We have designed it to be beginner friendly, ensuring that everyone can follow along and unleash their inner artist. So grab your sketchbook and let's dive into a world of circle scenery drawing together. As we progress, we will delve into the techniques of shading, highlighting, and blending to add depth and dimension to your artwork. Whether you are aiming for a vibrant sunset or a peaceful forest, we will show you how to achieve stunning effects using just a few simple tools. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tutorials and creative content. Let's unleash our creativity and make some beautiful art together. Happy drawing! Thank you so much for watching this video.